Hi, it's Courtney. In today's video, I'm showing you how to turn yourself into the other mother from the Coraline film. Firstly, you're going to need to mix a white face paint with a light tone foundation to create an off-white toned face paint mix. Apply this across your entire face and blend out evenly using a beauty sponge. Highlight the high points of the face, such as the nose, forehead, cupid's bow, chin and under the eyes using a white face paint. Set the entire face with a translucent powder. Use a black face paint to fill in your brows. Make sure to elongate the tail and turn up the start of the brow to achieve a concerned and emotionally expressive brow appearance. Set your eye area with a translucent powder. Apply a thick, sharp, angular winged liner. Bring the liner down into the inner corner and tear duct area. Use a cream liner pencil to draw a base shape for the shadows just above the crease and eye socket area. Set the cream liner with a black shadow. Use a pencil brush for a precise application. Take a light grey eyeshadow and blend that directly over the edge of the black to begin to smoke out the eyeshadow look. Set the brow bone area with an off-white bone coloured shadow. This will assist you in blending the grey and black shadows up and throughout the crease. Go back into the socket of the eye with the black shadow to add further depth to the crease. Draw a line from the inner half of the crease and join it to the liner to enhance the darkness of the crease. Blend the black shadow over the eyeliner in the crease area. Apply a cool tone dark grey throughout the crease to create an even transition between the black and light grey shades. Highlight your brow bone area using a silver toned highlighter. Fill in that faux crease area in between the liner and the black shadows with a silver toned glitter or liquid glitter eyeshadow. Redefine the edge of the crease and upper eyeliner wing by reapplying the eyeliner. Smoke the crease line upwards once again by blending over the edge of the liner with a black eyeshadow. Blend a dark grey eyeshadow over that black shade in circular and windscreen wiper motions. Create a bigger eye shape appearance by applying a cream pencil liner into the lower lid crease. Set and smoke the liner out by applying a black shadow using a smudging brush. Blend that black shade downwards and outwards towards the liner using a dark grey shadow. Reapply the black shade up against the faux liner lid shape to enhance the depth of the look. Go over the area where you placed the cream liner with a liquid or pen liner to reinforce the appearance of the faux lid. Bring the liner downwards slightly towards the inner corner to mimic the shape of the eyeliner in the inner corner of the eye and tear duct area. Fill in the gap in between your lash line and the faux lower crease with a silver or white toned shimmery eyeshadow to brighten and enhance this area. Curl your lashes to prep them for mascara. Apply mascara to your top lashes. The lashes that I'm going to be applying off camera are the Doll Beauty Jasmine Lashes. Apply mascara to your bottom lashes. Use a cream or pencil liner to tightline your top and bottom lash lines. Grab a button of your choice and place it up to your eye to see where you want the faux button shape to be placed. Then carefully create a circular shape around your eye with the cream liner. Fill in that faux button shape with the black face paint. Set that button shape with a black eyeshadow so it doesn't crease, run or smudge. Take the end of a thin makeup brush and dip it into a white face paint. Dot this 4 times onto the button shape to mimic the holes in a button. Use the thin nail art brush and a white face paint to create highlights around the inner rim of the button shape to create a 3D appearance. Use another nail art brush and a deep brown shade to create a shadow line directly below the button. This will enhance the 3D effect. Bronze your forehead using a small amount of cool tone brown eyeshadow to create a muddy effect. Begin to contour your nose using a light grey shadow. Use a darker grey shadow to enhance the nose contour and create a thin, pointy nose effect. Take a piece of cardboard or anything that is sturdy with a straight edge and hold it just above your cheekbone. Use a black eyeshadow to create a high and chiseled cheekbone. Blend it down the side of your face and round the base of your jaw to create an angular facial structure. Enhance the angular facial structure you have made in the shadows by applying a black face paint across these areas. Add further depth into the forehead area of the face by blending a black shadow messily over the areas that you would usually bronze. Highlight the high points of your face such as the cheekbones and forehead with a light bone tone shadow shade. Enhance the nose contour by going in with a small amount of black face paint and wiping the majority of the product off the brush, then going across the contours of the nose to create a pointed appearance. Take a small angular brush and using a black face paint or black lipstick, draw a line outwards from each of the corner of your lips. Join up the lines just below your natural lip line to create a longer and wider lip appearance. For the top lip, create a pointed and angular cupid's bow and then join the top lip up to the end of the lines that you drew from the inner corner of the lips. Fill in this shape with black face paint or lipstick. Slightly contour from the smile line area, from the nose to the edge of the faux cheekbones to create a permanent facial expression. Pounce over this area with a beauty sponge if you apply too much product. Use a nail art brush and a black face paint to draw cracks across the entire face, and remember to also add a faux mole above the top lip. At this point my camera died, which is so annoying as it didn't capture any of the face paint I did on my chest. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do a separate tutorial showing you how I did this. I mapped out the bone structure of my ribs and collarbones by feeling with my fingers. I then filled in the gap around those bones with black, filled in the bone shapes with an off-white face paint tone, and then I create small cracks with black face paint to match the cracks on the face, and then popped on a H&M spotted dress that I got in the sale for £9. And that's the final Other Mother face paint tutorial. I hope you enjoyed my take on the Beldam from Coraline. If you did, make sure to let me know by liking the video and commenting down below. Don't forget to tag me in your recreations at CourtneyBeautyUK on Instagram, at CourtneyBeauty_ on Twitter, and hashtag CourtneyBeauty on all platforms. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't already, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.